Damn, I'm good at the first cube today. Oh, fuck, I'm so dumb. That's 2 in a row. Let's not do the same thing. Drop. Yes, dude! Yes! I fluked the duel! Yes, dude! I fluked the duel! I can't believe it! I fluked the duel! Fucking what? Oh my god. I can't fucking believe it. I beat Black Blizzard. Oh my god. I got so nervous at the end. I was so scared I was gonna choke. I'm trembling, dude. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Holy shit. I can't believe I did it. Wow. Oh my god. I fucking fluked the duels. No way. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh man, new hardest. Hello. Holy shit, I can't believe I did that. I actually can't believe I did that. I beat Black Blizzard, oh my god. This level is insanely hard. I don't think this has my highest attempt. Actually, this definitely does not have my highest attempt count. I know that for certain because I've been keeping track of my attempts throughout my time playing it, and I should have maybe just over 7,500. I think. Let me get out my calculator. Anyway, 3,225 plus 4,502 equals 7,727. Okay. That's actually lower than I thought it would be. I thought I was going to get higher than that. To be fair, I probably would have broken my attempt record if it wasn't for the fact that I fluked it. Look at the amount of times I died at 2%, by the way. Can you find where it is? Yeah, it's right here. I had a 32% pass rate, which is very low. But yeah, look, no deaths past 64. I died at 63 twice. But yeah. Man, it feels surreal. It feels actually insane that I did it. Far out. This is a new hardest for me. It'll be my last one for the year for sure because I'm going away and I'm going overseas in 1.5 weeks. I was so glad that I managed to get this done before then. But yeah, this is crazy, man. I've wanted to beat this level for so long, but I've never thought that I had the ability to do it. Well, now I do, I guess. Wow, honestly, I still can't believe it. I can't believe I actually did this. this level is really hard. It's also insanely good. Like, this is one of my favourite levels in the game, for sure. I didn't have a perfect experience, but I had extremely close to perfect. I'm just gonna say that. Like, this level is insanely good. I've always loved this level, even before it came out. I've always been a big fan of it. Yeah, I'm so glad I was able to do it, man. Ah, GG, G fucking G.